CCBA certification, a strategic investment for project managers. We will explore why obtaining a CCBA certification can be a strategic investment for project managers looking to advance their careers and achieve greater success in their roles. What is CCBA certification? The Certified Business Analysis Professional (CBAP) certification is a credential offered by the International Institute of Business Analysis (IIBA) for business analysts. Career development and professional growth. Obtaining a CCBA certification demonstrates your commitment to continuous learning and professional development, skills enhancement and career advancement. The CCBA certification covers a wide range of topics, including business acumen, analysis techniques, stakeholder management, change management, agile methodologies, decision-making, critical thinking, and communication skills. How to prepare for the CCBA exam. Preparing for the CCBA exam requires a solid understanding of the BABAP guide and hands-on experience in business analysis. Conclusion. In conclusion, obtaining a CCBA certification is a strategic investment for project managers looking to enhance their skills, advance their careers, and achieve greater success in their roles.